So hello everyone. Today we will learn the for loop in a Python. So let's start. For loop. For loop are used for sequential travelers. For example, traveling a list or string or arrays etc. So syntax for iterator where is sequence statements we are typing here. We are using the in here. So I think so we will learn already in not in. So similar way we are using here in. Example I is for I in range 6. So print I. Whenever we are typing is range 6, it means it loops 6 times and it will be the I increment automatically. In a for, in a while we are need to type that one. In a for we don't need to type the increment. So here is showing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that the condition will be the same, then it will be the stop. So next example, we are taking fruits here variable, and in that we are mentioning the list like apple, banana and cherry. So we are typing here for x in fruits. So print x, then it will be the printed apple, banana and cherry. Because of the they don't want to mention the length of the string, they directly checking the list of strings in a list of strings. That's why they are printing directly apple, banana and cherry. So next example, like fruits apple, banana, cherry. For x in fruits, and we are taking here if condition, if x is equals to banana, in this list having banana, then only print like I love x. X value means banana. So output will be like I love banana. Because of the we are mentioning here if x is equals to banana, we didn't mention the else part. That's the reason. So next, in a practical way we will understand more deeply. Next, let's start the coding. So we are taking here directly for loop and I in range is 6 we are taken and colon. After that we can type here print I only, that's all, and we can hit here like python main.py. Output will be the come like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, you observe one thing, like in a for loop, we are mentioning here I is a initialize. In a while loop, we are mentioning a upper here to I is equals to 0. So this is the difference in a for loop and while loop, first difference. And next series, I will tell you the exact more difference in a while loop and for loop, and where we are using the for and where we are using the while loop. So now only we are focusing in a for loop. So this is the first example. We will take another example, like first we are taking here one variable like a, and this variable I will mention one list like Ram, Om and Raj. Okay, so we want to print this one in a single strings. So I will type here for a in, not a, I will tell here I in a. So we can print this one, print I only. That's all. Now check here like python main.py, and they are printing here Ram, Om and Raj. So I will type here like if I, we can give here like if condition, if I is equals to Ram, then print like I love I. Then we can check what is the output. So we will type here python main.py and I love Ram. So here we can use the if condition also, and we can use the multiple things in this logic, for loop logic. So lots of developers using the business logic, they using the for loop, they are making easily and rapidly output there it's coming. So this is the way to use for loop. So keep motivated and keep enjoying with the Python series. So if you have any queries or any doubts, mention in the below comment, and keep enjoying. Thanks for watching.